Come test drive the 2012 Chevrolet Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, universal garage door opener, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.